Hello, my name is Chen Shen Hao. Today I will present the knowledge acquisition technique. The knowledge acquisition technique I am comparing are interviewing and questionnaire. The interviewing different into both structured and unstructured interviews. In this case, I prefer the structured interview. This is due to the type questioning. First and foremost, structured interview provides a systematic and organized set of questions for all candidates which benefit as compared to the unstructured interviews that provides spontaneous questioning. As for the type of questions aspect, the structured interviews provides questions that are predetermined and standardized, whereas the unstructured interview provides candidates with different questions that are asked based on the flow of the conversation. Next, speaking on the comparison among the candidates, structured interviews facilitate easier comparison while unstructured interview can be challenging in comparing among candidates due to the lack of standardized questions. Last but not least, comparing on the consistency of the interview process. Structured interview provides consistent interview process while unstructured interview provides more flexible and less predictable than a structured one. The strength of structured interview are ensure that accurate information is extracted, easily analyzed and understood, and incorporate into knowledge acquisition season. The knowledge engineers can employ prompts to retrieve specific structure related information, and the interviewer may choose to expand the scope of the inquiry. Respondent may provide more detailed answer. The weakness of the structured interview are the expert answer may be influenced by the pressure to ask questions rather than reflecting real behavior. Structured interviews spend more time planning. It needs to prepare a set of predetermined questions and objective criteria for evaluation. This approach is rigid and limits flexibility and creativity in clarifying, probing, or exploring unexpected topic in the interview. The information to collect and apply it to the development of intelligent detective have examines the candidate problem solving skills in the face of complex criminal behavior. The scenario and case studies collected can be used to construct realistic and challenging scenario on which AI detective can be trained. This helps the AI system to understand and navigate the complexity encountered in detective work. Next, understand the criteria and factor used by experts to make decisions in the investigative process. It helps to identify the parameters and factors that an AI system should consider when drawing conclusions or recommending actions during an investigation. Next, how investigative experts communicate and share information within or across organizations within the investigative team. Create intelligent detective communication modules for effective collaboration and information sharing. Understanding how human investigators communicate critical information can help guide the development of natural language processing and information integration capabilities within AI systems. For question S, question S is a research instrument consisting of a series of questions designed to elicit information from respondents. A questionnaire can be considered a written interview. The strength of questionnaire are questionnaire can collect information from a large sample. This is because it can be distributed to a large number of people at one time. The respondents can share honest, unbiased opinions in confidential, promoting openness, especially on sensitive topics. The same set of questions can be asked of all participants, thus ensuring consistency in the data collected. For the weakness of questionnaire may not capture as wide a range of information as interviews. Answer may be brief and lack context. Developers were unable to ask follow-up questions or seek clarification of ambiguous response. Detective may refuse to answer specific questions, resulting in incomplete data. For the information to collect and apply it to the development of intelligent detective, the first is use close-ended questions to inquire about the frequency of challenges. For instance, handling complex investigations or managing large evidence volumes. Analyzing responses can help developers prioritize features and functionality that address the most common challenge faced by detectives. For example, if many detectives highlighted the difficulty of managing large amount of the evidence, then intelligent detective could be equipped with powerful evidence management features such as automatic sorting and categorization. Next, use a structured questionnaire to find out what technology tools detectives find most useful in their work. Specific software database or analysis platform or communication tools may be included. The collected preference can be used to guide the integration of intelligent detective with existing tools and systems. For example, if most detectives rely on a specific database for information, the AI system could be designed to interact seamlessly with that database, thereby increasing its overall utility and integration into the detective workflow. Next, combine open-ended and structured questions to understand emerging trends, such as new crimes or the impact of technology. Developers can ensure that intelligent detectives are prepared for new and evolving challenges by understanding emerging trends. For example, if detectives detect an increase in cybercrime, AI systems with advanced cybersecurity features and analytical capabilities can design to assist in digital investigations. That's all I would like to present. Thank you.